We're here today in the organic valley of Trout Lake, Washington, where approximately 90% of the agricultural land in this valley is certified organic. This exceptionally high concentration of organic farmland distinguishes Trout Lake as one of the leading organic farming regions of the Pacific Northwest and quite possibly the United States. But this area offers so much more than just rich soils. It's an outdoor mecca with mountains, lakes, streams, and trails just moments away. Located 30 minutes from White Salmon, Washington and Hood River, Oregon, and an hour and a half from Portland, Oregon, you have access to urban conveniences while enjoying a life of peace and quiet surrounded by a serene and stunning landscape. Welcome to Cedar Spring Farm, a multi-dimensional property that serves many lifestyle opportunities. If you are someone who's looking for a farming opportunity, a vacation home, a horse property, a homesteading property, or just simply a full-time residence, this might be the place for you. Diving into all the water this property has to offer, let's start with the 900 plus feet of White Salmon River frontage. This property has a combination of both low and high river frontage and is located on the treasured White Salmon kayaking run called the Farmlands. This property also has 3 ponds that are spring and irrigation fed, 3 springs, a seasonal creek, and 60 shares of irrigation water, perfect for watering the pastures, orchards, greenhouses, gardens, and yards. This property also has fenced pastures, a cattle corral, a Gothic Easter-style greenhouse, berry barn high tunnel greenhouse, a loafing barn with hay loft storage, and a very useful 7-bay shop large enough for all your equipment, vehicles, and project needs. The stunning 5-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home offers an impressive 3,760 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. The grand living room features vaulted tongue-and-groove ceilings, exposed beams, and an expansive wall of windows that frame the breathtaking, protected, and unobstructed view of Mount Adams. And you can cozy up by either the wood stove or gas stove fireplace. The primary bedroom is conveniently located on the main level, allowing you to grow with the home. Up this custom wood staircase is 4 additional bedrooms that provide ample space for family and guests. The kitchen is designed with all-wood cabinetry and has plenty of room for entertaining and dining, making this the perfect space for gathering. A standout feature of this home is the attached 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom mother-in-law suite, offering flexible options for multi-generational living, guest accommodations, or rental income potential. If you've been dreaming of a property like this with everything you could ever want, then 45 Cedar Spring could be the one you've been waiting for.